10 ways to hold a longer plank. 1. Plank more. There's never a truer adage than practice makes perfect. The first plank for a newbie planker might seem like a form of torture, but after a week or two, you'll be casually busting out a minute without breaking a sweat. Add 10 to 15 seconds to your time each day, pausing on a time for an extra day or two if you're really struggling. 2. Turn the watch over so you can't see it count down. There's nothing more demoralizing than watching those seconds tick by in the slowest possible way. Set an alarm so you will know when you're done and occupy your mind with something else. 3. Read an article in a magazine, paper or online. Stick it right there in front of your face and get absorbed. 4. Count down backwards in your head, really slowly. Other tricks are to recite the alphabet or say nursery rhymes over and over in your head. 5. Do it until it hurts, then hold for 30 seconds more. When we say hurts, we mean the good sort of pain, the suffering that comes from exertion, not twinges in your lower back or joint pain. 6. When your timer goes off, go for another 10 seconds. 7. Throw in some side planks. Just when you think you can plank no more, turn onto your side and bust out a side plank. It'll feel like such sweet relief after your 1 or 2 minutes in front plank that you won't even notice the seconds go by. Turn over to do the other side, and before you know it, you'll have planked for 3 to 4 minutes in total. 8. Make your planks dynamic. Push up onto your hands, right, then left into press-up position, then lower yourself back down onto the elbows. Then swap sides and go up first on left then right. 9. Play a song you know is the length of your ideal plank. 10. Relax. Breathe in then take a long, slow breath out to relax. It will mean you're not as tight and tense and time will fly by.